Are there any regional variations in Australian cattle dog types? Australian cattle dogs, also known as blue heelers or Queensland heelers, are a popular breed in Australia and are renowned for their herding abilities and loyalty. These dogs were originally bred to work in the harsh Australian outback, rounding up cattle on vast stations. While Australian cattle dogs have a standard appearance and temperament, there are indeed some regional variations within the breed. These variations can be attributed to factors such as breeding practices, the diverse working conditions in different regions, and the preferences of individual breeders. One-color variations. Australian cattle dogs traditionally have a unique coat color known as blue, which is a mottled combination of black and white. However, there are regional variations in coat color. Some regions might have dogs with a higher prevalence of blue coats, while others might have more red or blue speckled coats. These variations in coat color can be influenced by the breeding choices made by local breeders over the years. Size and build. While the Australian cattle dog has a standard size range of 17 to 20 inches at the shoulder and weighs between 35 to 50 pounds, there can be slight variations in size and build across different regions. For example, dogs bred in areas with larger cattle may be slightly taller and heavier in order to effectively control and move the livestock. Similarly, dogs bred in areas with smaller livestock may be smaller and lighter in build. Work focus. Australian cattle dogs are primarily working dogs, and their individual strengths and focus can differ from region to region. Some regions might breed dogs that are more skilled at herding cattle, while others might focus on dogs that excel at agility or other working tasks. These regional variations in work focus can shape the temperament and abilities of the dogs found in different areas. For temperament, while Australian cattle dogs are generally known for their loyalty, intelligence, and energy, there can be subtle variations in temperament across different regions. Factors such as the working conditions, breeding practices, and training methods used in specific regions can influence the behavior and personality traits of individual dogs. For example, dogs bred in regions with more controlled and calm herding environments might exhibit a calmer temperament compared to dogs bred in regions with more intense and challenging working conditions. 5. Recognition and breeding standards. The Australian cattle dog is recognized by various kennel clubs worldwide, and each club may have slightly different breeding standards. These standards can lead to variations within the breed, as breeders may focus on different characteristics, resulting in regional variations. It's important to note that while some regional variations may be desirable for specific tasks or working conditions, breeders should always aim to maintain the overall breed standard and avoid excessive changes that could potentially affect the health or working ability of the dogs. In conclusion, there are indeed regional variations within the Australian cattle dog breed. These variations in coat color, size and build, work focus, temperament, and breeding standards can be attributed to factors such as breeding practices, working conditions, and individual breeder preferences within different regions. Understanding these variations can not only help breeders make more informed choices, but also provide valuable insights into the rich diversity within this versatile and highly admired breed.